Grab you a snack as we go over how I got this gorgeous look today.
Through my everyday makeup routine, what products I'm using, and why I like them. For concealer, to carve underneath my brow and to also be act as an eyeshadow base, I may even wear eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer, and I use the shade Chestnut. Since I have my concealer place, I like to go in with the Morphe M173 or a similar shaped brush that I have from Real Techniques to kind of blend everything in and buff it out. So next, I like to go in with a little powder puff, a little translucent powder, just to set this concealer. New Fiery Vibes Always On Mood Board eyeshadow palettes from Smashbox. These are their newer palettes. They were just released recently, and this is the shades and what they look like. That's my Vivid Matte Eyeliner from NYX. Y'all know I love this liquid liner. So my foundations of choice are NARS Natural Longwear Radiant and Urban Decay's Face Bond. Mix them together, and one oldie girl to the next, chef's kiss. Please, before I start applying, I'm going to mist my foundation and brush with a little setting spray to help get the job done. For my contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Contour Stick, and I believe this is, yep, it's an espresso. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Setting Mist. And I'm going to start with my contour. We'll blend out our concealer. To get rid of these lines of separation and demarcation, I'm going to go back with both my contour brush and my foundation brush. No extra product, just whatever's on the brushes. So I like to go in with a cream blush. And since we have an orange eye, why not orange blush? I like orange blush. It's so good on brown skin. Like, if you haven't tried orange blush, please go pick up one. If you want to first set it with the Kanafa Easy Bake and Snatch powder from Huda Beauty, that I like, and also setting with the pressed powder also helps with creasing. To do my baking is Miss Huda yet again. I like to use peach pie. To set my contour, I'm going to go in with my NARS Alternate Face palette and use the shade Laguna 8. So I went in and set that with the Juvia's Place Volume 1 palette, and I use this orange shade here. A lot of times I mix them, but today I didn't. I just used the orange blush, and look at that. I love orange blush. I'm going to go back and make sure we carve out our cheekbones to help with those small lines. I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix powder. Once a matte girl, always a matte girl. And kind of also, this is the time if you feel like you've put too much blush on, just lightly go over the areas that you did your blush just to calm them down a little bit. Fix from Makeup Revolution. Do my lashes real quick, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, don't kill me. I forgot to press record, so I'm gonna share my lip combo because I don't gatekeep y'all. I use the Loud line from NYX. It's Rebel Kind. If you haven't tried her yet, what rock have you been under? My NARS gloss, and this is in. This thing is little. I can't see it, but it's this one. Wasn't she pretty? And then I went around the edge of my liner because I always tell you, gloss your liner with Fenty Hot Chocolate Heat. With second to last spray is usually Charlotte Tilbury. I like to get in and wet the face. This is where you come in with your heavy hitter because this is where we lock everything down. Hold your breath. Let it dry. I will look like this for the entire day. So thank y'all for getting ready with me while I do my makeup. I hope you found some tips that I shared with you useful, and I will see you on my next video. In case you didn't believe me, boom, real quick. Get you some.